Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix touch or screen touch not working on iPhone, iPad when we update our iPhone iOS 16 beta 1, 2 or 3. iPhone screen touch complete or some part of screen not working. My iPhone touch complete not working. If you facing touch not working hardware or software issue, then don't worry. You can able easily to fix this issue. After complete watch this video. Solution 1. Solution 1. Quickly press and release volume up button and quickly press and release volume down button. Finally press and hold power button until the Apple logo appear. That's it. Solve this issue about 50%. Now fix this issue about 50%. Solution 2. Click on Settings app. Next, click on Accessibility. Click on Touch. Click on Touch Accommodations. Turn on Touch Accommodations. Next. Solution 3 and last solution, solution 3, click on Settings. In setting page, click on General. Click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset All Setting. Enter your iPhone passcode. Again click on Reset All Setting to confirm this process. My touch is working 100%. If your hardware problem, then video link in description, I button and end screen. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get latest update. Thanks for watching.